Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Audi A3 Sportback. This is the 1.4 TFSi 5-door Sport 6-speed manual. The car was first registered March 2015 with one private owner from new, benefiting from a full Audi Service History. Last done October 18 at 39,000 miles, current mileage a fraction over 42,000 miles. The 1.4 TFSi petrol engine produces 150 brake horsepower, returns 60.1 average mpg and produces only 109 grams of CO2, which puts it in a tax band B, which is just £20 a year road tax. It's a Euro 5 petrol engine, so it is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London. MOT valid through until the 18th of March 2020. Very good set of tyres, Pirellis on the front, 4.5 and 4.8mm of tread, and rear Pirelli on 3, and a brand new good ride on the near side rear at 8mm of tread. The car is finished in Floret Silver Metallic. As with the exterior of the car, the interior is in very good condition, featuring a black and grey cloth interior, Isofix location points to both outer rear seats, specification includes automatic lights and wipers, optional cruise control, comfort pack including folding mirrors, parking plus which has got front and rear parking sensors, and upgraded alloys. Audi Drive Select is standard, Bluetooth music streaming and Bluetooth phone connectivity, electric windows all round, radio, DAB, separate CD with SD card slot, and the Audi music interface with 2 cables for USB and iPhone input. This A3 will come complete with full book pack, 2 remote control keys, set of tailored carpet mats, space saver spare wheel, all tools present including locking wheel bolt. The car is HPI clear, so no accident damage or outstanding finance. Should you have any questions relating to the car, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding extended warranties, as well as our interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 20% deposit over a 48-month term on a PCP at 158.31 a month, just 10.2 APR. Thank you for watching this video.